We are on the hunt for the perfect camper, specifically a Class C to tow our Jeep. And we found that they were super expensive. So we decided to buy an older camper in good shape, but really outdated, and we began the renovation process. So come on in, let's take a tour of the cottage. We absolutely love how it turned out. But hold on, we first have to back up and start from the beginning.
You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted, shoot the moon and reach for Mars. You know you could. Yeah, and times are changing everywhere. Do we dream and do we dare? It's up to you, the door is open wide. Feel the rhythm of today, learn the part and join the play. The world is here, let's take it for a ride. You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted, shoot the moon and reach for Mars. You know you could. Larger, larger than, bigger, bigger than, living hopes and dreams. Every boy and girl, higher, higher than, brighter, brighter than, all you wanted. You know, you could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You can have all you ever wanted. Larger, larger, bigger, hopes and dreams. Every boy, you could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted. You know you could. Walk through life. Every day is a new beginning. Shine your light. It's a day and the world is waiting. Move along to the song, singing in your soul. Feel the beat, clap your hands, let's take control. All you need, all you want, are you ready to find your way? 'Cause every day is a new day, and everything's going your way. And you wanna make it last forever. We'll keep it together, 'cause it keeps getting better. Whoa, walk through life and move ahead to your destination. Shine so bright, be the light of a new creation.
So we've now come to the end of our tour, and we hope you liked the camper as much as we love having adventures in our cottage. If you want more information on specifics and a lot more details about this camper renovation, you can check out our other channel at Be Free Benson DIY. And don't forget to subscribe.